Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad each and every one of you are here. This is Lainey and I'm back with another tutorial, and I am only using drugstore products. That means you can get these products at your local Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens, beauty supply store, stores like that. That's easily accessible and inexpensive. Just want to show you guys that you don't have to spend, thousands of dollars on makeup to look nice if you choose to wear makeup. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. For eyes, I'm going to be using my Maybelline 24 Karat Nudes palette. I must admit, when I first used this palette, I did not like it, but I gave it another try and I actually was able to pull off a pretty decent look. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to use this color here. They don't have names on them, so it's kind of like a dark brownish kind of color. Next, I'm going to go to this black color here and using a skinnier eyeshadow brush to go directly in the crease. I'm going to take this color here. It's kind of like a neutral peachy looking color, and I'm only taking a little bit and just kind of blend out the edges at the top here. Next, I'm going to take this kind of like rose gold-ish color. It's a really pretty color. Go ahead and pop that on my lid. Sometimes you get a better color payoff when you use your finger, so I'm gonna just use my finger and tap that color on my lid. And now I'm gonna take that same fluffy brush and just kind of blend. Okay, so I'm gonna come back to eyes in a second, but I think I found a new favorite foundation. This is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Foundation, and this is in the color Deep Golden W10. Here we go. When I started using drugstore foundations, it was kind of hard to tell what color I am because you can't swatch them in the store. So you kind of have to, look at the bottle and kind of guess what color you are, which oftentimes you guess wrong, and then you have a bottle foundation that you can't use because it's either too light or it's too dark. Hey, come here. You see all these lights and stuff? Say hey. So as I was saying, and our visitor is still here, I started to kind of understand my undertones and all these different things, and I found that I have like a warm, slightly yellowy undertone. So I decided to give this a try. I've tried this foundation once already, and I really, really love it. Like, I feel like it's like the perfect match for me, and it's super cheesy because the the name of the foundation is True Match. But I feel like this is really perfect. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that my Maybelline Super Stay is my like holy grail. But this, I think this may come. This might be first choice for now on. I don't know. So let me go ahead and put it on. I'm gonna pour it on the back of my hand. The only thing I don't like about this is it does not come with the pump. But so I'm gonna dip it in my brush and put that all over my face. You see how easily it covered my scars and hyperpigmentation, which is a plus for me. Yeah, this is really good. I really like this foundation. To keep the nice glowy summery look going, I'm not going to do like a hard contour, but I'm going to be using my Rimmel London Radiance Brick. And as you can see, look, see how pretty it is? And I'm going to take this brush and kind of go over the spaces where I would normally contour, but it's going to be light. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you have a favorite drugstore product that I used? Was it the foundation? Was it the highlight? The lipstick? Just let me know. I can't pick a favorite. Like I have so many. 90% of my makeup is drugstore, so I can't really pick a favorite one. But right now, it's probably going to have to be this L'Oreal foundation. I think this is a really good product. If there's a different type of look that you guys want to see me try, I will definitely do that. So let me know that as well. So anyway, I thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.